Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making cherry cake with chocolate. Now this past morning, I just happened to drive by a farm and these cherries looked absolutely delicious. So we're going to make cherry cake. What I love about this recipe is that it is so simple, yet it comes out so fancy. This recipe, along with the products you see me using here, will be in the description below. Remember to join our Facebook group, OMNIA Stovetop Oven Fans, and also please subscribe to the Little House of Beans, smooshie the like button, hit the notification bell. We have a cookbook on Amazon, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available as a paperback and as an ebook. I'm ready to cook. Let's make a cake with these absolutely gorgeous cherries that I picked on the farm this morning.
Let's cook.
Let's cook. Now these cherries I pitted. I forgot that I did not have a cherry pitter. So what I used, believe it or not, was my acrylic straw from my Yeti. And I just smushed the straw right through the cherries and it de-pitted it. Right? Isn't that a fun hack? We have 4 eggs. It is very important to add 1 egg at a time and beat that 1 at a time until it's incorporated. Okay, so now it's time for the second egg and so forth. Egg number 3. And the 4th and final egg. So now we take a bar of chocolate, and believe it or not, it is beginning to melt in this Florida heat. And you just want to add a few pieces of chocolate on top.